tell you when.
Alright, hi guys. Today we're going to do an unboxing video and a setup and review of this Boytone record player. This is the BT-14TBB-SP, and this was $30, $29.99 on Amazon. It was about $31.50 with shipping, or not shipping, tax. And what got my attention was that it plays 78s as well as 33 and 45, and probably the biggest thing is that it has detachable speakers. And for $30 or less than $30, I'm not expecting very much. So I thought, let's give it a try and just see what it's all about. The reviews were actually very good. I was very surprised at how good the reviews were of this. So we'll go ahead and do the unboxing. Alright, we've got the owner's manual. We've got a USB cable. There is a small CD, probably is the Audacity software if I had to take a wild guess. Oh, and the other thing is that when I picked this box up for the first time, I was actually very surprised at how heavy it felt. So I'm assuming that the speakers at least have some sort of a wooden cabinet, which is even more surprising. So we've got styrofoam holding this in. This definitely feels about what I'd expect. It certainly isn't particularly heavy, the actual unit itself. Get it out of the way. So it does have a regular AC power cord. I thought possibly it was going to be USB only. Alright, this guy's falling off. Okay, so, alright, so right here, this comes, I guess it's supposed to be on the platter. It says, encode your favorite vinyl or radio or cassette on select models. Okay, that's probably not going to be this one. To MP3. Select desired mode for encoding using input source selectors. Insert your memory device, example SD card or USB drive, not both. Press the record button and wait until SD or USB icon flashes. Start your desired media, phono, auxiliary input, or cassette. Press stop button when done. Enjoy. So I think this is probably on several of their models. But another thing that I'm very surprised to see is that it actually comes with a felt mat. Was not expecting that at all. Let's see here. I guess let's get the whole thing out of the box before we start getting too far into it. So that's the main unit. And then here we have the speakers. Okay, so the speaker has an RCA jack and probably, let's see, I'd say about a 3-foot wire. It does have a wood grain on the cabinet, and I don't think it's plastic. I do think that it's some form of a fiberboard or something that actually looks pretty good. And I think I saw, yeah, this actually has removable speaker grills, cloth cover. Yeah, it's like a pressed fiberboard actual material there. Probably, I'd say a 2.5 inch speaker there. Nothing written on the speaker that I can see. It does have a base port, however. The other one opened up. If I can get the twist tie off, we'll be doing good. So, another speaker there. And there's the unit. And the next part, we will go ahead and actually get into setting it up and giving it a test go. All right.